Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. We are here on the Chainlink chart, and I am tracking still a bullish scenario. As you know, I've added some micro support levels here. I've added the next upside target area, and the Chainlink reserve pushed the price a little bit higher. So that's basically just a catalyst to support the bullish scenarios and thesis we've been tracking already anyway. So there isn't really any change at the moment to any scenario. But what I'm tracking here, and this is actually I've just added this again. That was my previous scenario. You remember, I considered here either that this is an E-wave pullback and we go up directly, or we might have formed another 1-2 setup, but it was very shallow. So I think it now, I think it aligns best with a fourth wave pullback. But again, that's we need to be flexible about it. For now, I treat it rather as a fourth wave pullback and maybe one more high to come. But if we break above $25.12, I think we're already here in a third wave, okay? Because then it gets too long. So this could be, in fact, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The area around $23 seems to be a reasonable resistance level, strong resistance level, $23. Because that's also where we have not only the 61.8 extension, which is typically an ideal target for an internal fifth wave. No, we also have the green line at $23, which is a previous resistance level for 20 or from 2024. This swing high there, March 2024. And so we just need to be very mindful that this fifth wave to the upside might still be unfolding, and the fifth wave itself should also be a 5-wave move, but any break above standard resistance might indicate we are in a more directly bullish breakout pattern. Either way, the pathways show to the upside, they point to the upside, and as I said, it is possible this is the fifth wave. That's what we're tracking on a smaller time frame at the moment. And it should be 1, 2, 3. We might be in the mid stages of a third wave, then could get a 4 and a 5. That would work quite well also from a proportions point of view. We've now reached micro resistance, previous swing highs at 1960 and then $20.25. And overall, this micro 5-wave move could take us exactly to $23. Certainly something to watch. Maybe a brief break above, but sort of in that area, I would watch for a wave 2 pullback. If it doesn't happen, we're already in a third wave. So, but I will... or basically, you know, we've bottomed here in the B wave, in which case this might also be a wave 1, but a smaller one, and we get a wave 2 and then break out. So I will provide the relevant micro support levels along the way. At the moment, I think it's reasonable to view this here as an internal third wave, then again a fourth wave and a fifth wave, and the micro support zone is between $17.64 and $18.56. And what I would like to see is actually for it to form 5 waves, because if it breaks down from here, well, then we have a 3-wave price top, and this all is a part of a larger correction. Wouldn't necessarily be bearish, but the immediate upside reversal pattern is failing, and it means that most likely this wave B is still unfolding, or a larger correction. We could still see this as the low of a wave 2 then in June, but we might need another dip before we can try again. But for now, this seems to be a reasonable pathway. That's what I'm watching for the coming sessions. Obviously, again, needless to say that the $17.64 level needs to hold. That's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. You get additional updates here, video updates even, mindset stuff. It's a community that's growing here. You can ask questions and much more. Check it out. I'll keep you updated. Link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.